In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see word count in Google Docs. If you're writing an essay, a blog post, or anything with a word or character limit, knowing your word count can save you time and stress. Let's walk through the simplest way to find it and keep it visible while you work. Start by opening your Google Docs document in your browser. Once your file is open, look up at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From that drop-down, choose Word Count. If you prefer shortcuts, you can open the same window instantly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C on Windows or Chrome OS, or CMD plus Shift plus C on a Mac. The shortcut is handy when you want to check your count quickly without moving your hands from the keyboard. A pop-up will appear that summarizes your document. You'll see the total number of words, the number of characters with spaces, the number of characters without spaces, and the current number of pages. The word count helps you track writing goals, while character counts are especially useful for platforms that limit text by characters. The page count can help if you're formatting for print or following assignment guidelines. If you want a running total while you type, look for the option in that pop-up that says Display Word Count while typing and check it. When you turn this on, Google Docs shows a small overlay on your screen with your current count, so you don't have to reopen the window repeatedly. It's a great way to keep an eye on your progress without breaking your writing flow. When you're done reviewing the numbers, click OK to close the pop-up. If you enabled the live display, you can leave that small overlay visible as you continue writing. If you find it distracting at any point, you can always open the word count window again and uncheck the display option to hide it. Sometimes, you only need the count for a specific part of your document. To do that, simply highlight the text you want to measure first, and then open Word Count from the Tools menu or with the shortcut. The pop-up will show the counts for just the selected text, which is perfect for checking a section, a paragraph, or even a single sentence. And that's it. With these simple options, you can quickly see your word count, track it live, and measure selected sections, all without leaving Google Docs.